What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today let's put to the test bunch of different gadgets. For the first one I got right here a pickle jar. First one I got right here a pickle jar, double lidded, not really sure why, but let's find out. So the idea of it, you put your brand new pickles, you know what, let me get ready, I know I'm gonna spill it. So I'm going to grab new pickles and drop it in here. Boom. And now, if I close it, that's the idea of it. Let me show you. Now it's prepared. Now you come from the store, you put your pickles in a jar, and then you keep them this way. And now all your pickles is submerged. Whenever you want a pickle, you open it up, you grab a pickle without worrying your hands getting dirty. You close it back up, you don't need a fork pretty much, and you cover it back up. It works even better with the smaller pickles, those tiny pickles, that way you don't have to wash your hands inside the juice. So that way you push all the juice in here and you can grab the pickle really quickly. So this is pretty interesting. Next one is a Stanley, but actually a great one, not one of those oversized drinking cups. So let's see what this is all about. This is a thermos for your coffee, tea. There's two cups. So then there's actual lid right here. Boom. And then this side here will pull off, and this will lock in, and pay attention to here. It locks in, so I can put it on a hot stove anywhere. Then this get revealed, comes out here. So we'll bring the water in here, or cold water into here, and put some coffee in there, boil it. Then we're going to squeeze the coffee down, push this down, two little latchets, lock it back up. Actually, this will stay here, spin it in, cover. So you have so many pieces in here. You can make all that coffee, put it in a thermos and save it for later. I love that this double cup, and look at that insulation. Pretty much the cups make it triple cup. Refrigerator zip bag holder. It's supposed to hang kind of like this. Let's see how this works. So all it is a section cup, and the slide, the Ziploc bag will go in here. Okay, let's start couple. Okay, it seems to be good. This one is not moist. Oh, it works even better. Well, one already fell off, but let's try this. Something heavy. Oh wow, it is a Ziploc and it actually works. Check this out. It's holding up somewhat. One will not stay up for some reason. But yeah, there you go. Cool way to organize the food that needs to be stay in the Ziploc bags. It works. Here's the little gadgets I found that is like stretching the top. There's a carabiner right here, and if you need to stretch out the top, you just put it toward here, tighten it up, and it has a really nice teeth to where it shouldn't come off at all. So now it's like plugged in there, and you can stretch out top as much as you need to and set up the shelter. Pretty awesome. This is right here a Spark Light emergency fire starter. This one aviation survival, came from a survival kit, military kind. So it comes with this little things, and there's a few of them. All it is just a plastic sticker, and gives off a really nice spark. And all we have to do is just make good fiber and light it up, and got the fire going. In a wet situation, everything wet, you can still get the fire going with this little fire striker and fire starter. Remember those folding pots from Kickstarter? For some reason I still have that one. So you unfold it, the metal base is for the fire, and this top is for the water. And I think it's very simple. Just kind of fold it this way, fold this way, and fold this way, and clip it, and then flip it over. Same thing here, fold this way, fold this way, and clip it. Lightweight folding pot. That's cool. And I actually tested it before. It actually works. Pretty awesome. I got it here. Weirdest can opener ever. This is the most adjustable. There's a hook here, hook here. So let's say we have a bigger jar. Pop it right in the middle instantly, and then we're going to adjust it way up and pop this one down with leverage, and then just hold this. Wow, that is easy with one smooth like cutting motion. Flip it over, I guess. Boom. Wow, that is hilarious. Next level can opener. That was so easy. I love that one the best. I never seen that kind before. That's the first time I tried it. There's a burn for it, so that way you can look it up. Magic pen. So there's a base and there's a pen. Ball point pen. Okay, and it sits in here and it floats in there. So I can grab it and put it back. Then take it off. Wow. Actually unspin it. Use it. I could keep this side here. Stick the pen back in. Grab it. Use it. Put the pen back in. Grab it. Use it. Screw it back on so it sits in a wall. Even better. So at any point I can grab it, unspin it, put it to, and put it back up. Pretty cool. And it's also kind of like a fidget pen. If I keep it right here and bounce it around, well, maybe not too hard, but I could spin it. Let's see. Oh, if I spin it, it falls. Interesting. But I can bounce it and it will go up and down. That is quite satisfying. Hover pen. So let's open it. This one is blue. This is the base, non-slip, with the magnets and right here. So the pen would be right here. Ooh, cool. So it opens up pretty easily and comes with the informational and extra refill. That's cool. Okay, and now all I have to do is just twist it. Let's see if I can bounce it a little bit. That's quite satisfying. Oh yeah, it holds the bounce pretty good, unless I hit it hard. That is cool. And whenever I wanna grab it, I could just flip it over. Nope. Just keep this here. Use the pen. Oh, it's powerful. Wow, maybe easier to grab it and put it back up. Also, yes, it will not bounce unless we have this cup on it. That's good to know. So very satisfying. So I'll just leave this here, use it, then I'll just plug it back in and put it back in here, so that way I don't lose it. That's quite nice. Yeah, it will fall. It has to be in a cup. Very cool pen for sure. Levitating stand pen. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.